Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your invoice settings in QuickBooks Online step by step clearly. To update your invoice settings in QuickBooks Online, start by logging into your QuickBooks account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the gear icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the gear icon to open the settings menu. From the list of options, select Account and Settings. In the Account and Settings menu, click on the Sales tab on the left side. Look for the section labeled Sales Form Content. Here, you can customize how your invoices appear. To modify your invoice template, click on Edit in the Sales Form Content section. You will see options to enable or disable features like sales tax or progress invoicing. Make your desired changes according to your preferences. Once you are satisfied with your selections, click on Save. Next, to customize the appearance of your invoices, click on the Templates link under the Sales tab. Choose the template you want to modify from the available options. Click on the Edit option next to the template name. Here, you can change colors, fonts, and add your company logo if desired. After making your changes, be sure to click Save to apply them. Returning to the Sales tab, scroll down to Invoice Settings to adjust payment terms if needed. You can also set default payment terms for future invoices here. After making all necessary adjustments, click on Done to exit the Settings menu. Your updated invoice settings are now saved and ready for use. You can return to your dashboard to create a new invoice and see your changes in action. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.